Hello, today I've got here a Essentials CUL55B19 55cm black undercounter larder fridge. Let's get the box open. So here it is, the Essentials CUL55B19 black larder fridge. As I say, it's black, it's finished in more of a matte black than a gloss black. So if you want it to match your kitchen, you may want to look for another brown for another texture of paint finish. I'll just unpack the inside and I'll come back to you. So inside then we have 3 glass shelves and your salad tray, and 3 door shelves, which by the way are not adjustable or movable in any way. I'll just show you that. So as I say, the door shelves they're not fixed, they can be removed, but they cannot be repositioned. So where they are is where they stay. You can remove one and store it somewhere else if you wanted to. They just simply lift out. And pull away like so. I'll leave that to one side for a second. So your fridge space here, thermostat is automatically set to 3.5. If I were you, I'd leave it as it is and adjust it once it's cold. 3 shelves finished off with a white strip on the front to keep it nice and tidy. Your salad tray here contains instructions and your egg compartment, and you have a drain straw here as well, so if this gets blocked up in any way you can wiggle that around in the bottom. Usually these, you can keep these in place and that should stop that happening, but if there is a problem you can stick that in there and hopefully unblock it if there was a problem. So here's what comes with the fridge. You've got your instructions here. Make sure you do read those before you start plugging the fridge in straight away. You've got your energy label. It's 130 litre fridge capacity, including the salad tray. It's 39 decibels when it's running, and it's A+ rated, so nice and efficient. You get your egg container compartment, which I tend to put in a door shelf. Keeps it nice and out of the way there. Another quick look at the inside there. Got your salad tray. So when you do plug this in for the first time, make sure before you plug it in you leave it for 4 hours. Otherwise you can wreck the system basically and make the fridge useless before you even start using it. But yeah, there's not a lot else I can say about a fridge, so yeah, that's what it looks like. There's your finish. Nice gloss black plastics. You can see the matte black paintwork there. It does come with like a cling film on the side, so that's why this side looks shiny and it sort of stops there. Personally, I like to leave these on because otherwise it will leave a nice, well, I say a nice, it will leave quite a horrible line of ripped plastic up the top and the bottom. Your personal choice. But yeah, that's it. That's the Essentials CUL55B19 55cm black larder fridge.